So are you planning to learn Selenium with the Java course so quickly? Then I would like to share you few things about this quick process, how you can learn Selenium course with Java in the quick process. Okay, but I highly recommend you, if you're a complete beginner and you don't know anything about programming or basic knowledge of any programming language, then so my recommendation is, so don't be hurry guys, because you may not understand if you learn any course with rush. So in case if you are a computer science background candidate and you are already aware of any programming language topics, then you can learn Selenium with Java course in the quick way. Now let's talk about how to learn Selenium with Java in quick way. The first one is, first you should have solid understanding of Java basic concepts. So don't learn Selenium directly guys. If you learn directly Selenium, you may not understand, because writing your first Selenium application or program, you must include Java concepts. You are unable to write Selenium application without Java. First, you have to focus on learning basic Java concepts like Java syntax, data types, variables, okay, and control statements and loops, for loop, if else, okay, switch statement. You have to learn all these things, and you should know methods, how to use methods and constructors and hoops concept. So these skills are enough to write Selenium application. After completion of Java basic concepts, then start to learn Selenium WebDriver concepts. And you have to learn the basic Selenium WebDriver concepts like locators, so navigations, waits, assertions. Okay, you have to practice these simple examples. First, you have to try to write some simple automation scripts like a login form, search bars and buttons, and after you have to improve your writing automation scripts, how to handle dynamic web pages and drop down examples and some alerts, JavaScript alerts. Okay, you have to try some complex scenarios. So once the completion of these basic and some advanced topics, then automatically you will gain some confidence how you can write automation scripts. And finally, you have to watch more and more videos relevant to automation testing related videos, and you will find more and more examples, and you have to do practice as well. And after completion of your Selenium course, try to automate one or two websites with your own hands. Then in this process you will face a lot of challenges while you're automating any web elements or web pages. And definitely you will get real-time knowledge whenever you are automating the web applications. Parallelly, if you have enough time, then try to learn some basics of manual testing concepts as well. It really makes you some strong confident on the testing concepts. Okay, who are having sound knowledge on basic testing concepts, those kind of profiles can easily understand any kind of business requirement related to testing projects. So that's all guys for this session. I hope this information makes you really happy and understandable how you can learn Selenium with Java in quick process. Okay, if you still have any doubts on this topic, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. Okay, if you really love this information, don't forget the like button. Don't forget to share to your friends as well and your social networking platform. Okay, so I will come back with one more useful information video. Thank you very much.